What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today it is time. I'm going to be putting the car seat in the car, installing the car seat, set up the baby camera, finish putting the bottles and stuff together because we have literally less than a week until baby girl gets here. And so come along with me. First thing that I want to do is this is a trunk organizer, and so I'm going to unbox this and then put the stuff in it that goes to it. To add baby carrier, disposable trash bags for diapers, and then I'm going to add like this little booklet thing. I think that is it for the trunk organizer. Now it is time to set up the baby camera. I'm going to set up the camera. Got it. Just gotta let her charge. I changed positions and spots because now it's time to put all this stuff in the car. First thing first, organizer. Car seat time. Now the last thing is a mirror that will go on the back of the seat right here. our bottles together. Set all these up in here in the cabinet. Alright, y'all, the last thing that I have to do is I'm going to put all of her baby lotion and baby soap in the cabinet and then hang up her bathtub and we'll be all set to go. Alright, you guys, that includes the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Hit that bell to get notified when I post another video. Hit that subscribe. Join the Bestie Squad. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Now I'll holler at you on the next one. Bye, guys.